Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you all doing? So, today we are making Matar Pulao. It is very healthy recipe. How do you think it looks? Tell me in the comment section. Let's start the recipe. So, add half cup of ghee. And add Sabut Garam Masala. And here you can see there are button chilies, black pepper, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, and some bay leaves. And so now you're going to fry it on medium heat. And we are also gonna add 1 tablespoon of zira and 3 medium-sized onions. And we're going to fry it until the onion turns golden brown. And here it is, our golden brown onion. So now we will take half in a plate and we will leave the rest. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And also we're going to add 2 medium-sized tomatoes. And now we're going to add 400 grams of green peas. And now we are going to add haldi half tablespoon. And we are going to add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and salt according to your taste. Namak hasbe zaika. And saute well, mix well. And after this step, we are going to take 1 kg of rice. These are soaked rice. You can see, and these rice are soaked for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, we're going to add the soaked rice. And then we are going to add 5 glasses of water. And then we're going to cover it for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, you can see rice absorb the water. And now we're going to add few drops of Garam water. And now we are going to cover it with cloth for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, it will look something like that. So our dish is ready. Now let's dish out. And here our yummy Matar Pulao is ready. You can serve it anywhere. And this recipe can also be eaten in iftaar. Very yummy recipe, you must try it out. And I served this recipe with tomato chutney and yogurt. You can serve it too. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, so please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.